So we're going to do that walk we're talking about. Gonna do it. Ready?
Uh-huh, yeah. Get a load of them socks.
Check out those bad boys. The last time I had socks on, I can't remember when. Okay, so here we have the marina, and we're taking and heading out here up the street, doing a big walk.
Right up there.
The Ruda.
Hooter.
That's how they pronounce it up there in
Boston, or Baltimore.
Maryland. Yeah, those Marylandites.
Hooter.
Ruda.
First time I heard that, I said, what the hell are you talking about?
Yeah. And used guys.
Used guys, yeah?
Used guys.
Mike and Cindy.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're used guys.
Used guys. Some cool trees along here. The trees down here in Florida are just so flippin' cool. It's like the enchanted forest.
Mm-hmm.
Halloween stuff. How cool is that, huh? Here we are. All right.
Get out there.
Take a look out. There's the big city of Jacksonville. Jacksonville, by area, square miles, is the largest city in the United States. The bridge, where it's that drawbridge, the part that opens. We're right in the part that opens here. So,
What do you want to know?
what do I want to know?
What are you doing?
I'm just taking video here because we're out here on the bridge that opens. Let the boat come through. Well, hey there, neighbors. Heidi ho! Yeah, marvelous. We're doing marvelous.
Oh my goodness, you've got your who's digging.
There's the group. There they are. Look at these trees. They're just so cool. We're in the enchanted forest, I'm telling you. It is so cool. All these trees out here. We're in this park-like setting. Wow. So check out the size of that tree. It's just frippin' huge. Wowzer. How old do you think some of these trees are?
Hello.
There you go. I love it.
Be a mess.
There we go.
Look at how big this frippin' tree is. Huge. Huge. So look how that's landscaped out there. It's like landscaped.
It doesn't look real.
Yeah.
But you know what? You've got to plan to do this. If you don't plan, you can't do it.
That's right. Listen to her.
You never listen to me.
We want to send out a thank you to everybody for watching and subscribing. So subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up on the YouTube video, the thumbs up if you like the videos. And there's a little bell after the subscribe button. You hit on the little bell, and that'll give you notify you anytime we post a new video. So thanks so much for all your support. We love you guys, and yes, plan the dream
and
live the dream. See you bye now. Socks and shoes.
Hell no.
Socks and shoes. Socks and shoes. You got booby sweat, I got nutsack. Drippage.
You have to play with that heck trip around
So,
with Kate, and that way I know where to go.
well, that's not too difficult to figure out. You just go,
I know.
yeah. Oh shit, the bed, Martha, that's the bridge cut. No.
Oh, come on.
No, nope. We're gonna get back sometime today.
Well, you will be moving. You ain't moving very damn fast.
Well,